Hello, I am Jagdish Dudhat, owner of Skydots. We specialize in deploying IT resources strategically for success in competitive business environment to the global market. Today, I am thrilled to showcase how Sarpanch CS revolutionized our operation as an IT resources provider. Like desktop, laptop, and networking, we encounter challenges in managing services details from small hardware parts to computers and timely updates and reminders.
The accounting ERP made our financial work way easier. Now we can quickly see where money goes, comes, and from. It even helps us track expense and income easily, saving a lot of time and stress.
We were struggling in efficiently managing service and workshop modules for computer repairs, whether it was dealing with the products under warranty or those without warranty. The entire process from inward to estimation and work order demanded a streamlined approach. We were in a dire need of automation to enhance customer communication and ensure a smooth workflow for their satisfaction.
With the system handling customer info is super easy. We can keep everything organized, remember all our talk with them, and give better service. It's like having a helpful computer friends for our customers.
We discovered Sarpanch Sales through a similar organization and learned they boosted business operations 40% within year in so many industries. After reaching out, they seamlessly implemented a service module tailored to our needs. Revelation, our computer repair and service approach, automation benefits include SMS updates at every stage, enhancing customer satisfaction and service transparency. This has not only improved internal efficiency but also enhanced customer experience, making our service delivery more reliable in line with our commitment to the competition and to the excellence level. I would say a big thanks to Sarpanch CS for understanding our needs and making our business run like a clockwise. They are not just a partners; they are like our secret weapons, and we are using to ride the competition heavily.